So in this video, we'll explain to you what kind of information is displayed on the back plate of the thermostat, which means on the power supply of the thermostat. For the wiring of the DEVIreg Display Connect, we have the well-known circuit diagram of our thermostats placed on the back of the power supply unit in order for us to make the correct mounting of heating element, of the mains power, and of the sensor. Next to me, I have the device already mounted to ensure that we have everything wired up correctly. Here on the marking plate, it's mentioned that the mains go in on the first, for me, the first neutral line here. So that's the mains power. Then you have the neutral for the load. You have the line or the live wire from the mains, and then you have the live wire from the load. And then afterwards, after we jump one terminal here, then we have the sensor wires represented. And that's of course for the floor sensor. After all of this has been mounted, then the product can be placed into the wall. The power supply in this case can be placed into the wall. And then as mentioned and as shown in the video before, we can mount the product onto this by snapping on the front part.